Explain what's going on.
It's at the onlooker.
Yeah.
Gia.
See your teeth. Gia, go back over there, you dummy. Explain what you finna do. I'll explain. Gia is getting ready to eat one of these things right here. Right? Okay, my cousin just ate one and she said it's not hot. Okay, yeah, that's the thing right there. But Gia is getting ready to eat a cut piece of one.
Put it in.
See what happens. And he got some ice water sitting around. Like, put it in your mouth. Eat the whole thing.
It ain't that hot, Gia. Here.
He didn't even bite it.
I know.
Here, Giant. Here.
Anything you want to say to the camera, Giant?
Spicy.
Stupid.
Spicy. Anything else you want to say to the camera, Giant?
Spicy.
Okay. Okay.